Hey guys, just wanted to record a game because I was making a bunch of trade offers, looking for a couple more cards to finish off another deck, so figured I'd throw up some offers and then play some games and wait and hopefully that somebody will accept them. But yeah, so I'm just still messing around with the Gothi-Trode and Ross's deck until I can get this third deck built. So let's see what I'm paired up against. And it might run a little bit slow again tonight just because my computer's got some things running. Alright, so I start a lone Voltorb, call heads, and go second. 0 wins, and he starts Togepi. So I'm pretty sure we're playing against the electric deck that you're provided with. What a silly attack Togepi has. His plead. Ask your opponent if you can draw 2 cards. If they say yes, draw 2 cards. If they say no, do 20 damage. So he plays the Professor Elm's training method. And gets Togetic. And I'll let him draw 2 cards because I don't know why. Because I literally have nothing else to do right now. I don't want to lose to him knocking out Voltorb. That's all I can do. Whew. So he plays a Pikachu. And evolves his Togepi into Togetic. What does Togetic do? He attaches an energy also. He's probably gonna fly 30 and then prevent damage if you flip heads. Plays a Chansey. Come on, I need some Gothita's or a supporter or something. Alright. Flip to tail, so I got nothing, and I draw another energy. So I'll just catch her up as Chansey and stall a little bit because you need 2 energies to do anything with it. And I'll end my turn. I'm looking for Heart Gold, Soul Silver energies too, just because I like them. I need some lightning ones too for my new deck that I'm building. So he evolves his Pikachu into Raichu. Attaches an energy and then plays Engineer's Adjustments. Plays Energy Returner for 1 energy. Drops a Mareep. Oh my god. Alright, I'm uploading this game just because it's ridiculous. Literally nothing I can do. Oh boy. Evolves his Mareep into Flaffy. Drops another Mareep. If I draw another energy, I quit. I could Junk Arm for something, for my catcher I mean, but I see no point in doing that. Oh my gosh. This is ridiculous. He evolves into Ampharos. And Flappy. Oh This is sad, really. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Retreats Chansey to Togetic. And tries Fly, flips tails. I draw another energy. This is so ridiculous. Oh my god. Actually. Go ahead and bring that Chansey back up and stall him out again. And end my turn. He attaches to Raichu and passes. And I finally get something. I get a collector. So let's do this. I think I'll just get my Gothi-Trodes. Yeah, there's a little bit of lag. My computer's running slow today. And I will play all three. Attach the pretty energy. And end my turn. He plays a Togepi. And passes. Draw switch, which is not really helpful at this point. So I'll go ahead and attach another energy. And end my turn. And he evolves his Togepi into Togetic. And I get a RenaeCollects, which is also not helpful. Oh my gosh. So I'll attach another energy. What can Gothi-Trode do? I might as well switch since his Chansey can't do anything. Just for fun. We'll double slap. Flipped one head, so we'll do 20 damage. Against anything that isn't this like starter electric deck, I would have already lost by now. Drawing like energy for like 10 straight turns. Those Voltorbs would have been toast. So he attaches to his Raichu. Okay, well that's good. So I'll go ahead and Rare Candy my active to Gothi-Trode. And we'll attach to my benched Gothi-Trode. And then Mad Kinesis for the knockout. So I draw an Electrode, which I finally can do something with my Voltorbs. Okay, so now that I have my Gothi-Trode set up in my active spot, I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward this video a little bit. I don't see a point in making this into 2 parts because it's not an exciting game. It's just playing against the pre-constructed lightning deck that they provide you with. And the only reason I wanted to upload this is because I had a terrible start. I had all those energies, and there's absolutely no reason I should have won with that kind of start against any competitive deck. So it kind of just goes to show you how terrible the deck they provide you with actually is. So basically now that I have my Gothi-Trode set up, I just keep hitting him for one-shots and knocking everybody out in one hit while still setting up on the bench. You'll see I have one Gothi-Trode with 3 energies and one with 1, as well as a RenaeCollects set up. And it's good that I have the RenaeCollects because it prevents my active Gothi-Trode from getting knocked out, which allows me to knock out his Ampharos in 2 turns. So I spend a lot of time moving damage around because I only have one Gothi-Trode at this point. So I go ahead and hit it once. He hits me for a lot of damage, but I have the RenaeCollects, so I continue to move damage, knowing that I'll be able to knock him out this turn, but I still don't want my Gothi-Trode to get knocked out by somebody else, so keep moving damage around until I'm satisfied. Then I go ahead and copycat. End up getting a Gothi-Rita and a Gothi-Trode, as well as another energy, so I'm good to keep setting up, so even if my Gothi-Trode were to get knocked out, I would have another one all ready to go, with 3 energy as well. So he brings up his Lantern, which only has 90 HP, so I know I'll be able to knock it out with 1 hit. And he doesn't have any energy, so he can't do anything to me. I go ahead and set up another Gothi-Trode on the bench, and then I communicate in my Gothi-Trode to get a Gothi-Rita to get my 3rd Gothi-Trode set up, just in case. I think at this point, it's time for the game to end. Alright, he's gonna play Professor Elm. Probably gonna get a Togekiss and make this last a turn longer than it needs to. But if he does, I'll probably just Junk Arm for my catcher so I can knock out his Flaffy and end the game. Yep, he gets a Togekiss. He has no energy though, so he can't do any damage this turn if he stalls, so I can't knock him out. But I'll just catch her up the Flaffy. Unless he has an Ampharos, which is kind of stink, but this game is lasting way longer than it needs to. Alright, he passes, so I'll play a Junk Arm, get rid of Gothi-Trode, Twins, grab a catcher, oh, it's slow. Come on now. You know. Let me fight this. Oh my gosh. This is ridiculous. Well, I'm waiting for him to, like, click on the card. I acknowledge I played it, but, it's taking a long time. There we go. Play my catcher. And knock out his Flaffy with Mad Kinesis. And that's the game. And it was way longer than it needed to be. But, I think it's funny. Oh my gosh, too many energies in the beginning there. That's all I could draw. Had I played any other deck that wasn't the horrible structured deck they give you, I would have been so done. Alright guys, I guess this is too long to make into one video, so I might just cut it so you guys don't have to watch the whole thing, but if I do put it up in 2 parts and you end up watching both parts, then you're amazing, and I honestly probably wouldn't have watched this whole game, but if you did, hey, thanks for watching.